Hey, sweethearts, welcome back. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Loves, I'm back with another Caribbean crochet hairstyle. If you like what you see, stay tuned and I'll show you just how to get this done. Our subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. Hey sweethearts, as you can see, I already braided my hair. I did it last night or the night before. It's best to do it the night before, so you don't have that much tension when you are crocheting your hair. It'll help a lot if your hair is already braided. You guys, I got this hair from my local beauty supply store. You can get this crochet hair anywhere. I love this hair, you guys. All my products are going to be listed in the description box below. You guys make sure you're oiling your scalp up because this is going to be locked in. Anytime you crochet your hair, you cannot get back to it. So make sure you're oiling your hair up. Starting off, we're going to put the needle through. We're going to add the hair to it. We're going to pull that through. When you pull the hair through, you're going to put all of it through and you're going to separate them by tying a knot. This is called the non-slip method. Another simple method, really fast, is pulling the hair through. You're going to knot it one time and just pull that through. Why? It's not going to slip. Why? Because this is long hair. I can see if this is short crochet hair, but it's long, so it's not going to slip out. You don't have to worry about it. This is the simplest style or method you can use for crochet. Do what style works best for you. Make sure you try out each and every one to get the feel and make sure you're comfortable with and you know for sure that it's not going to slip out. As you can see, I did do a two-tone. I think this color goes well with 1B, or it goes well with my skin complexion. I really love this color. So now we're just going to start our black, and we're going to go all the way full black from here on out. Starting the invisible knot, you're going to go regularly, just like the other two. Once you have it secured on one side, you're just going to pull one piece through instead of the whole thing. So when you knot it through, if you look really carefully, just grab one piece and wrap that up and then pull that, and then the knot is underneath the braid. This is where you get your knotless. Take your time, sweethearts. You got this. One thing I love about crochet is it is easy and it's a simple hairstyle. Another thing is how versatile it is and how you're locking your hair underneath the braids or the twist, or if you want to do a braidless, but no matter what, your hair is growing underneath. That's why you need to grease it and oil it just to get great results. One thing about blending is that there are so many different methods. One method that I prefer is just pulling out your edges and adding some edge control over it to blend it. There are other methods on my channel if you can take a look, but I prefer this one. It's easy, it's simple. You don't have to pull a lot of hair out, and it's an easier blend this way. So all you do is just add some edge control, make sure you're parting in the part that you want it, and then just edge it up. Just get you some nice little get you a nice gel brush and just go to work, you guys. That's how simple and easy it is to blend your hair together. Starting my nightly routine, you don't have to add your gel or anything to go to sleep at night, but you do want to add this scarf And make sure you're grabbing a ponytail holder and holding your hair together, just so it'll all stay secure as you're sleeping. And then add your beautiful bonnet and you are good to go. And these are the magnificent results, my sweetie pies. Thank you for tuning in. You guys, I'm in love with it. I love the two-tone. You can see it. What is it? Peekaboo is what you call it, you guys. Simple, easy. It's light. It's fluffy. You know, take your time. You can do this. You got this. You guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, most definitely subscribe. I love you, even if I don't know you. I'll see you guys next time.